Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm excited to do another Snatched spread. Thank you to the paper and pen girl Tamara for highlighting this planner babe last week or the week before last. Her name is Elizabeth from EJ Joyful _ plans, and this is the planner spread that she did in her skinny classic planner that I am going to snatch. I'm so excited about it because it's so cute. OMG, she is so talented. Make for sure that you follow her on IG and all of her social media so we can continue to support her. So I first started off by cutting some filler paper that I had down to the size of a skinny classic paper size. And I'm using graph paper. Elizabeth has dot paper, but that's okay. And then I put the two papers together and connected them by some washi tape on the back side of my spread. And later on, I will cut everything back into two separate pieces. So the sticker book that I'm using right now and the main sticker book for this spread is the Agenda 52 sticker book. And it is one that is really cute, that was really popular at one time from Hobby Lobby. And it's still very popular, but I remember when this first came out, I was like, I gotta get this book, this book, this book, just a very cute collection of doll stickers and day-to-day activity. So I love it. And so I started off with the main stickers for this cluster that is going down the spine. So some of the main stickers that I wanted to focus on, which were a little bit larger in size, was the washer and dryer, the laundry basket, the pail full of cleaning supplies, and the garbage can. And so I decided to go with those first so I can get my spacing down as much as possible and have those spread out in a balanced way where I could fit the other smaller stickers around there. And next I'm starting to pull some of the other stickers to start to form the cluster now. And by the way, I went through some of my Happy Planner sticker books because those are also going to be what I use to pull out like some colorful boxes, some banners, some icon emoji stickers as well, so I wouldn't have to flip through all of these books at one time, but they were just in a variety of different books, and those are more commonplace than not. So but basically I pulled them from a mega book and like the journaling sticker books, and I forgot what the other one was called, but just a few of the variety of Happy Planner books. I just went through and pulled out different icon stickers to sort of match what Elizabeth had. I do not have exactly what she has because she actually is using a household sticker book that I do not have. I asked her like tons of questions at the beginning, and I just didn't want to keep bothering her. But finally I was like, Elizabeth, where did you get that roll of toilet paper sticker? When she finally says the household sticker book. So I will be getting that for later on down the line. I cannot tell you how many times I have passed that book up, but now just because of the toilet roll sticker book, I will be getting, or sticker, I will be getting that. I took a break from doing the cluster down the spine, and I decided to go ahead and put down the colorful box stickers just to make for sure I allow enough room for those stickers, the other stickers, to be placed down. I didn't want to have to remove all of the stickers to fit the colorful box stickers down at a later time. So I'm glad that I went ahead and did that, because I did find out that I would have probably ran into having a issue with having enough space on the right hand side of my spread. So I'm glad that I did that. I probably should have put the boxes down first, but that's okay. I got my main stickers down, and that's what matters, and everything else can be fit around it. Now, your girl ran out of the sidebar vertical stickers in my colorful box that had the black border around it. So I decided to go ahead and use the trimming of the sticker from the sticker book. And that's what you see me putting down right now. Just to create the border of that vertical box. And let me tell you something. I probably would not do this with this size of a sticker anymore because it was tricky, okay? No matter what I did, no matter how I fidget with it, for the most part, I was able to get the whole entire box down, but then a corner of it was still like bubble up, and I could not figure it out. And I figured I had spent enough time. I'm very into details, and I am really starting to hone in on the thing of just accepting something and moving on instead of sitting there and trying to fix it to perfection. And so what did your girl do? She pulled out her scissors and she snipped a trim that little piece of the border that kept popping up, and I fitted the edges together to complete out the sticker. And if it is crooked, I will cover it up with one of my banner stickers at a later date, and I decided to move on. So I'm tapping myself on the back for that because I would have still been fidgeting with that colorful box sticker to today if I did not move on. So now I'm able to go ahead and put on some of the other larger stickers, such as the duster, the mop, and the vacuum cleaner. I did have to wind up moving the duster a little bit to make room for the vacuum cleaner. And the way that I had my other stickers already positioned, I could not put the vacuum cleaner straight down like Elizabeth had. I had to sort of angle it and angle out the duster just a little bit more to have some room, which is okay. I still like it. It still is a reflection of Elizabeth's spread. And I moved over the broom some so that I could put the gloves and all the other stickers in that area. They will have enough room without overlapping over to the colorful box sticker. And so I like how this is starting to come out. I just had to make for sure. I'm so glad that I stopped what I was doing to go ahead and put down the banner for the month and the colorful box stickers, and also make room for the date that Elizabeth had on her page. She had 16.22. So I'm glad that I did that, and now I feel comfortable with moving forth with adding on all of the additional stickers that I have to put on here. And so I really am trying to make for sure that I use as many stickers from the Agenda 52. But first, I decided not to pull the stickers from the Agenda 52 book ahead of time. I was like, why do that? I think I had just went through all of my Happy Planner books to try to find as many of the icon and emoji stickers I could possibly find that were similar to Elizabeth had used. And so after putting all of those onto the release paper that I was using, I was like, you know what? It's fine. I will come back to the sticker book and just pull page by page what I need as I am doing it, which was really fun because some of the stickers I would have missed. I didn't realize that were in the book, such as the glasses. For some reason, I didn't see the glasses at first, and there was a watch that I had missed that Elizabeth had in her planner spread as well. And so in addition to that, I was able to say, ooh, I want to do this and that for another spread, and I can't wait to do that. So I think I'm gonna do it for next week because my mind was already just going. And so now I'm to the point where I'm starting to fill in outside of the Agenda 52 sticker book, and I'm starting to use the Happy Planner stickers, and I'm just filling in the spots where there is just a lot of blank spaces. And again, I don't have everything that Elizabeth had. Elizabeth had like a toilet, the toilet paper. She had a spray bottle, a paw, an animal paw, a recycle, a bird cage, and some other little knickknacks. But for the most part, I think I was able to capture a lot with the additional scissors that I had, the music notes. I had the washer and dryer icon. I just went ahead and used those still. And then I pulled out some additional gloves from cleaning gloves from the Agenda 52 book and so forth. And I think I did a pretty good job. I put down a cassette tape because there were music notes. I like to clean with music, so I thought that was appropriate. So I put down a couple of music tapes. I put down some binder clips for whatever reason. We got pins and all of that. I think she has some kind of binder, maybe a paper clip or something in her spread. So I said, I'm gonna put a binder. So a binder clip. And then the script stickers that I got here are different from what Elizabeth had. I believe she wrote in her heading for the banners, and I decided to use script stickers. I used shopping, today, remember, and the plan. And so in preparation for next week, I know I need to do some shopping. I know I need to create a plan. And also I want to highlight the things I actually need to get done. So with me, I do not go to the grocery store every day like I used to. Well, not every day, multiple days out of the week anymore. Usually I try to do my grocery shopping in one day. And so that today sticker will highlight like my ABC stops that I need to make in addition to the grocery store as well. And then for the remember section, I want to put like a word for the day, a word for the week, or even a quote that will just remind me why I'm doing all of this. And although Thanksgiving will be quite different from the previous years, I still want to make it special because I have time off, and a small group of my family will be together. So to end this out, I did use the alpha and the merit stickers from the date and memory keeping sticker, but from the Happy Planner, and I did really well with fitting those into those spots. I did have to adjust the alpha stickers just a little bit to make for sure that look a little bit even, and she used the abbreviated form of November, so I did too. And to top things off, I added Elizabeth's Instagram handle down at the bottom, and then I took like a gray pen and added like some bubbles throughout because I noticed that Elizabeth did have bubbles throughout her spread. And then I placed the doll sticker down that she used. I love this sticker. The t-shirt says, I can't even. Like, listen, I've cleaned all day and I'm done. Don't bother me. Don't say my name. Change my name. So I loved how that turned out. And instead of using my X-Acto knife to cut through the pages, I just went ahead and put the pages on my page cutter. Oh my gosh, that was so much easier. I put the pages together facing each other and punched the hole with my hole puncher from the Happy Planner. And that way I was assuring that the punches lined up together. I decided to go ahead and add a couple of more colors of the bubbles throughout the cluster. I used a darker gray and a light blue just to add some dimension to the bubbles. And so I really like how this turned out. I hope you liked it too. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for letting me snatch your spread. This was so much fun, and I'm loving this cluster spread kind of thing, so I do plan to do more. Thank you to the Paper and Pen Girl for pointing out Elizabeth and allowing me to premiere my video shortly after her morning tea. So hi to all my morning tea crew. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to follow and like Elizabeth's page, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for my channel and my Instagram page. Thank you for joining me. Until the next time. Bye bye.